Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back. Let's go! Today I'm in the race red 2018 Mustang GT. I want to talk a little bit about it. We got it about last year in September, and it's my wife. She wanted a Mustang of her own, so she actually grabbed the EcoBoost a couple months before, but that didn't last long. Whatever, passed that already. It's a base model GT. The only thing it has is the 355 gears, and yeah, we picked it up, and the same night we picked it up, we found some course catback sport only, so we put it on the first night, and it sounded awesome. But I had Corsa Extremes on my car, and that was super loud. So eventually, a couple weeks later, I swapped them on this one, because this one has stock headers, and I put the sports on my car because I have free flowing exhaust, and that evened them out both. Made both cars sound nice. See, there's no drone inside the car whatsoever. We had the Karashobi wheels, CS14s. We got from CJ Pony Parts. We put those on right away. Those just transferred over from the other car. On suspension, it has CJ Pony Parts springs. They lower 1.5 in the front, 1 in the back. And it has Steed Iris bushings and the alignment bushings too. Before all that, we took it to the track, had some fun with it. My wife drove it around. She started as high as high 12. Ended up with 12.4 that first day. We installed the PMAS. A Lund racing tune, just regular 93, no E85. The bottom of the bumper with like the plastic wrap, duplicate color plastic wrap, black, and then we put a strictly Royal Racing wing, like a front splitter. We also painted the pony, the front pony red with the plastic wrap with the duplicate color like custom wrap, I think it's called. We painted the brake calipers with some G2 caliper paint. Those turned out pretty nice. We've had the car about like 8 months, and we've had some fun with it. Taking it to the track, taking it to the compound in Mexico, taking it to do some practice autocross. Try to teach my wife how to do a burnout.